What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE, man, back with another video, and today I gotta continue the series, man. You read the title, you already know what we are talking about today, and it is the Bred 11 versus the Concord. You guys do know I did this video last year when I was in Germany. I got a lot of positive feedback. I had a whole bunch of people come there and leave their thoughts and opinions, and I thought I'd just continue that this year since we did get the Bred 11s in 2019, man. Last year we got the Concords, and I was like, hey, I know everybody gonna side with the Concords because it did release. It was a shoe of the year in most people's eyes, so I just wanted to get people's opinion on the Concords versus the Breds. But now it's this year, and we got the Bred 11s, so now I want to see how many people's opinions changed about the Bred versus Concord debate. Before we get too deep into the video right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, man. We're trying to get to that 25K, right around the corner from 21. So help your boy out by liking, sharing, and having those notification bells on for your boy so you never miss another video, live stream, or anything that drops on the channel. I'm sorry I haven't been doing the After Hours Live, but tomorrow, Wednesday night, will be in full effect with the After Hours Live, man. Leave all your questions under this video, or you can just save them for the After Hours Live. Follow me over on IG at Devintage World, man. The link will be in the description box below. And if you want to buy some cheap shoes, make sure you go shop devintageworld.bigcartel.com so you can get you some cheap shoes for this upcoming Christmas as a gift or for yourself. So all that being said, man, let's jump right into this little video debate / discussion over the Concord versus the Bred 11, man. Let's get it. All right, make sure you guys hit the like button, but you already know what we're talking about. Like I said, Concord versus the Bred 11. If you guys don't believe me how many people siding with the Concords, please go check out that video I dropped last year. Like I said, we got a lot of discussion going on. A lot of people siding with the Concords. And me personally, I think it's just because, you know, when a shoe releases, everybody is like, oh, I want this shoe. I love this shoe. It's the best shoe ever. But in all actuality, I think people are still feeling the Breds a little bit more. The reason I picked the Breds last year, and I'm still going with the Breds this year, is because I think they're a more versatile sneaker. I feel like he done a little bit more in the Breds for you to say this is like one of the most iconic Jordans to release behind the Bred ones, because that is the shoe that started it all. But these Bred 11s is something else, man. I wasn't in the States last year with the Concord release, but this year I was here in full effect for the Bred release, and it kind of reminded me of the 2012 release that happened. You know, everybody's going crazy. Everybody that never bought shoes the whole year came out and got them. So right now I need you guys to do, all my subscribers from the US, let me know how the Concord release went in the United States, man. Was it crazy? Was you seeing people that never bought shoes going to get them? Did y'all have the apps crashing on y'all like y'all had the Bred 11s? And a lot of people saying it was like over 1 million pairs of Concords made, but then I hear like 2 million pairs of these, and they still had the apps crashing. They still had people camping out for these shoes. There's people doubling up, tripling up, and I want to get you guys' opinion on what you think is the best shoe as far as for the sneaker community, man. And which one do you think is more well known around the world? Like I said, it's people that don't buy shoes at all, but when they see these Bred 11s, when they see these Concords, when they see certain shoes that they seen Jordan wear back in the day, you know, they want to go out and buy them. You know, this year with the Bred 11s, we got that hot cut, that OG look to the Bred 11s. But you know, me, I was wishing, and a lot of people else was wishing, that they stitched the 2-3 on the back, but they kept it how it is. You know, it's no biggie to me, just because we probably gonna get the shoe again in like the next 7 or 8 years. You know, we got the 2012 pair and then 2019, so that's 7-year difference. We might see another pair within 7 to 8 years. I can see this shoe just keep recycling, because I feel like Jordan Brand has like cemented his legacy. People always say, and it's all brand over the shoe, the quality inspired by the greatest player ever, and I feel like that's gonna go on for generations to come, man. And this Bred 11 right here, I feel like it's one of the most iconic kicks. Go watch some of his gameplay in these shoes, and if you want to like weigh the highlights between the shoes, man, I still feel like, you know what I'm saying, he was putting up some numbers, he was putting in some real work in the Bred 11s, man. But like I said, this is an open discussion. I want to hear all the OGs. I want to hear everybody that's seen Jordan play back in the day and that's seen these shoes released multiple times. You know what I'm saying? This is my first time having the Concords last year, and this is my second pair of Bred 11s. I had to go back to get the 2012 pair back in like 2015. I was like, man, I need me a pair of Breds. It's always one of my favorite Jordan 11s, and this year I had to go crazy, man. Y'all see I tripled up on these Bred 11s because, I don't know, I missed out on 2012, and this pair right here just, I don't know, it's super dope, it's super iconic, and you just get like a whole bunch of OG vibes, and you break a lot of necks with wearing any Bred 11, man. The 2012 pair, if you even got these pairs on, you still gonna get a lot of people that turn their head. They be like, hey man, your shoes is dope. And along with the Concords, I'm not trying to shed too much light on the Concords, because we all know this shoe is very, very dope. And if you want to talk about like dressing and how, you know what I'm saying, how to wear it and stuff, I feel like these are better just because, you know, the bottom of the Concords will start yellowing, but a lot of people saying that the yellowing will get the shoe some character. So we're gonna see. It's my first time having the Concords in the collection, so when they start yellowing all the way, they already start right now. We're gonna see how they look, how I like them, and see how that yellowing is starting to hit on the Concords, man. Like I said, guys, let me know right down in the comment section below if you are siding with the Bred 11s or the Concords. This is the second part of the series for the Concord versus the Breds, and maybe next year we can do like a Cool Grade versus Space Jam or Cool Grade versus Columbia Jordan 11, man. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see in the comment section below. But today I want you guys to pick between the Concords and the Bred 11s, just like we did last year. So right now what I need you guys to do is hit that like button, because I know you guys enjoy the debates between shoes, and I feel like this one right here is a good debate over the Jordan 11 and Jordan brand in general. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video, guys. Make sure you hit the like button right now for your boy. The likes really show YouTube who really enjoying the content. Comment down below, let me know if you're going with the Concords or the Bred 11s. Me, of course, I'm picking the Bred 11s again for the second year in a row. And I'm gonna go through the comments and see how many people was commenting last year the Concords and see how many people commented in the Breds today. Follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE World, man. Link will always be in the description box below. Share this video. Get some of your friends and family to decide between the Bred and the Concord. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.